Alright, so what do we got there? It's been a year. A furnace. Looks like it's on there, right? Don't look like it's been running dirty. I gotta change the filter. Check the filter at least. That's a newer tank. I don't see any issues there. That's good. Oh, that's a gate valve. I'd rather not play with that unless I have to. A little blocky. We'll check it. I'm not sure what's happening with this. It's the furnace. A lot of times it's not as you don't run it for hot water, so it's not as bad as a boiler. Yeah, it's got a little bit of muck on it, a little bit of brown shit on there. We'll change it. The brown, look like the old diarrhea pants. The old brown diarrhea pants. Nothing crazy, but we'll change it. Brown. This is an F1. Brown diarrhea ass. The gasket there is gonna be okay. Yeah, with this new biodiesel shit, you're always better to just change the filter once a year. It's always a good thing to do. Then we can bleed it right here, and it should be good to go. We'll change the nozzle, check everything on the burner part. Old Baki. Get a little air out of it. Yeah, here comes the oil. You'll make sure it don't leak. Don't want any leaks. We'll check it before we leave, make sure that there's no leaks. Change the filter and you should have a bleeder to get the air out. fix this if I could. This is an AF. This is a different blade in there than the AFG. I got the power off. You can see the different blade in there. It's the AF. AFG, the blade is not as wide. It's good this guy stays up on top of this burner. I think that's probably a little 65-degree nozzle in there. Yeah, 65 degree. 65 to 100, 100 psi. Factory equipped. It's a little... Yeah, see, this is a little dirty. I just like to check the head in there, make sure that the head is okay. Drawing skid pants. I usually like to get in there and clean that carbon off that thing if I can. A little carburetor cleaner. A little carburetor cleaner cleans everything up good. And here. No nozzle, no filter. Looks a little carbony. Yeah, 60 degree. 60-80. It's a 60 nozzle that was in there. Put a 70-degree nozzle in there instead of an 80. It doesn't matter. 70 or 80 on this burn is fine. 60, 65 is fine. Oh, it looks good. I don't think that head's set right. I want to check that head. I think that head needs to be set a little different. I don't think I've ever set that head. I'm going to put a mark on where it is right now. Put a mark there. We're gonna see where it belongs. I got my gauge, my homemade gauge there, because the other ones always break. Homemade gauge I made. I don't think this is set right. Yeah, she's off by quite a bit. I'm gonna put it where it belongs, and she's off a little bit. Oh, that's where it belongs, right there. It was a little forward. That's where it belongs, right there. Okay. You can see where it belongs. It was a little bit forward than where it needed to be. A little back more. So it was off a little bit. Nothing crazy, but enough to affect it, you know. That's right where it belongs, right there. That's right where it belongs. We'll see how it fires up. I got a TT right here. I jump it out right here. It should fire when I turn the switch on. Basically jumping out the thermostat and doing that. I just gotta turn it on and it should fire. Delayed oil valve. See how it fires up. Nice and clean there, see it? I just want to check the oil pump, make sure that's no air in it. Has a delayed oil valve, so I should be able to. Make sure I got no air in the pump while I'm here. Jump it out. Jump it out and make sure that there's no air in the pump. We got a nice flow there, so that's not a problem. We got no air in the pump. Alright, new filter at tank, new nozzle, reset draw assembly, clean burner head, bled oil pump.